This is the second class of natural selection. Last class what I did? Natural selection. Charles Darwin proposed the natural selection. He was inspired by what? These two essays written by Thomas Robert Malthus, essay on principle of population and theory of human population and growth. Principle of natural selection has 5 important observations and not three observations. What are the 3 observations? Three observations. First, 3 observations. Sorry, 5 observation. Rapid multiplication, stability of populations, natural resources are limited, variation, inheritance. Right? There, other inference out of these 3 observation, one observation. This is called observation. Observation 1. Observation. Inference. This is called inference 1. This is inference 2. Final inference 3. Right? Inference 3. That is why I said 5 important observation, 3 inference, 2 inference plus 1, 3 inference. Therefore, observation 5, observation, inference 1, inference 2, this is inference 3, final inference. You understood? This only last time I discussed. Then, what is this observation? Here, rapid multiplication. So, example, you take it. This organization grows in the geometric progression. What do you mean by geometric progression? 1 multiplies 2. 2 is what? 2 square, 2 cube, 2, 3. That is called exponential growth. This is what? Exponential growth. This is called geometric progression. What actually happens? What do you mean by rapid multiplication? First, one cell divided into 2 cells. This 2 cells further divided into 4 and so on. Like a nuclear fission, it keep going. This is called geometric progressions. And a to the power of n from 1, if it start from 5, n keep on increasing. Right? Therefore, geometric progression a r to the power of n minus 1, like this it goes. N. And after some time, what happened? Suppose one amoeba, within short time, 1000 amoeba, it keep going. Further, within short time, the whole world is filled with only amoeba itself. Therefore, it is what? Rapidly increasing. Right? It rapidly increases. What happened? Example, what happened to this virus? Which virus? Coronavirus. How it started? It rapidly increases from 1% to 1%, double, triple at all. It is uncontrolled. Right? Now, therefore, observations, rapid multiplication. That is what about the second observation? See, but what is actually happening here? The organism is gradually, it remains always constant. It is, what is observation? Observation is, this is theoretical, but what is observation? It remains always constant. The population is what? Always constant, or slightly varying or slightly decreasing. What is the reason? Except human population, other things are all almost constant, or in fact it is distinct, it is getting downwards. What is the reason? Why? What is the reason? The reason is the third observation. Here, slowly grows and it remains arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus, like it is slowly decreasing. 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 4. Here is what? Multiplying. But it is progressively increasing. Women population in arithmetic progression only, not geometric progression. Alright? What is the reason of this stability? Why it is always stable? Population is what? It's keep on stable after some time. What is the reason? The reason is third observation. What is the reason behind this? What? The natural resources are limited. The natural resources are limited. That is the main reasons. We can't get a lot of food. Right? Because scarcity of food. Even in our economy, there are different. What is the economy? Economy is what? Limited resources, but unlimited wants. That is the human nature, unlimited wants. With the little resources, how you are going to channelize so that the human wants has to be having a maximum satisfaction. This is called economy of our world, economy of the world. You know what? To satisfy, you have formed different theory of economy. What are the economy? Socialist or centralized economy we have got. Then market economy or capital economy we got. Then combine this what? Mixed economy we got. This all comes for the economy. Don't worry about that. Natural resources are limited. Because here I said what is arithmetic growth? Arithmetic growth. Food always multiplies in arithmetic 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4. Because of limited resource and natural resources, we are getting always consistency. Then what do you observe? Here, because of arithmetic progression, like say, then is 1, 2, 3, 8 it increases. But here, 2 to the power of 3, that means 16 times. 4 times 2, 3, 8 plus what? 2 plus 2 plus 8 plus 10. When it's 10 here, what? 64 times. 2 to the power of 4, 64. 2 cube is 8. Then 8 square is what? Again what? 8 into 2. It goes, like in a GP. Which one? That population, rapid multiplication. But food is what? Constant. Therefore, resources are constant. Therefore, we get stability of population.